Do you like doing staycations? Today we're staying at Crown Towers, a luxury 6-star hotel located in Melbourne. And I'll be reviewing this amazing room. We'll be trying out its pool, room service, resort features that make staying at Crown one of our favourite destinations. I want to surprise the girls and I don't want to give away too much, so a little lie. It's a hot day. Did you want to go to the pool?
Yeah.
Yeah? Have you got a serve card? What does it say?
I'm reading it. The backseat bandits card. Hey driver, we, the passengers, would like to stop for ice cream.
What?
Like, seriously, pull over.
Okay, well you hold on to that card. Alright, you're getting a card then.
Hi, what can I get you?
Yeah, g'day. Can we just get 2 M&M storms with chocolate sauce, thanks?
You know, the pool,
Yeah.
it's actually inside this hotel.
What?
So, well, we'll stay here, okay?
What?
Day?
Yeah, we're gonna stay here.
What? It has those doors that spin.
Yeah.
Elf.
Oh yeah, let's be Elf Dad.
What are you going to do when we stay the night?
Stay up all night.
We checked in just after 2 p.m, but unfortunately our room wasn't ready, so they gave us vouchers to enjoy a few free drinks in the waiting room. The kids had some Coke Zeros and we opted for St. Herbert Champagne followed by the Chardonnay. To fill in some time, we checked out the festive decorations found not only in the hotel lobby but also in the atrium space. The hotel concierge let us know that our room was ready, so up we go to room 2323, where Caitlin did this. No, don't tap it. You gotta put it into the slot. We'll do a full room tour soon, but here's the girls' first impression.
Is that where we're sleeping?
We'll find out. Let's go have a look.
This is where Amy and Di are sleeping.
Yeah.
We got a TV! Heck yeah! We got a TV!
Oh
My God.
There are 2 toilets.
There's a toilet in there. And there's a shower in there. Have a look.
There's a remote for the bath. Why else would there be a remote?
Oh yeah, so you can watch TV whilst you're in the bath.
Why don't we have this? You don't get a proper view of the TV.
Oh, I see.
I
It's just a TV.
You can see over there. Look down there. There's some clothes and some things.
Next up, we hit the pool on level 3, where the spa is also located. This, by the way, is one of my favourite hotel pools that we keep coming back to due to its huge size, lounge chairs, cabanas, ambience, and warm water, which even in winter is just as warm as it was for our stay. Approaching 8 p.m, it's time to feed our hungry tummies, so we set out on finding somewhere to eat, and at Crown, there are more than 28 places to eat. Not before doing some browsing in the high-end shops like Hugo Boss. I should note that we did book a package with Crown that included a family gold class voucher at Village Cinemas, however they had run out for our stay, so instead credited our room with an additional $100 to use anywhere at Crown, plus provided unlimited in-room movies. For dinner we chose San Antone American Barbecue, an atmospheric yet relaxed restaurant known for its slow cooked meats. Caitlin and Amy enjoyed these massive kids burgers, yes, kids burgers, Rachel the smoked prawn and avocado salad, and for me, I overdid it with a tray of 3 meats, beef brisket, quarter chicken, beef sausage, tangy coleslaw and onion rings, all for just $35. Each one was really tasty and way too much food for one person. Back in our room, we finished the evening with the family movie 8 Big Christmas starring Neil Patrick Harris. With Melbourne's night lights serving as a spectacular backdrop, we really enjoyed our first day at Crown Towers Melbourne. Day 2. Now I should note that if you stay in this level of accommodation, you normally get access to the Crystal Club, which features dedicated check-in and a sophisticated dining room for afternoon tea, evening canapes and drinks, and this wonderful buffet breakfast spread. We've previously stayed in rooms with access to it, so if you want to see more about it, please check out the video at the end of this one. One final treat and we decided to enjoy a massive buffet breakfast at the conservatory. This is one of Melbourne's finest and most indulgent buffets, offering a huge selection of breakfast options for this sitting, with food suited to all tastes, from sweet breakfast items like French toast, pancakes and waffles, pastries, juices, fruits, cereals, friands and breads, gluten-free section, salad, Asian offerings and more. It's a real treat to spend more than an hour taking in 5 courses of delicious food with stunning views of the Yarra amongst this lavish decor. Oh my gosh, we got upgraded. We paid for like a $615 room, and this cost more than $1,800 per night. 2 bedrooms, lounge, separate dining, walk-in robes, you name it, it's amazing. Let me just show you around. Check this out. When you first walk in, this is what you'll see, but we're actually day 2, and if you see any mess around, please excuse it, but nonetheless. Last night, we enjoyed these 2 beautiful couches, coffee table, we got some room service, we watched some movies, and the experience in this generous space, like we've got areas either side of this seating area, and oh my gosh, ottoman, great TV. It's like a 55-inch TV, 65-inch perhaps. Could be bigger, but conversely you're going to block that awesome view. You've got motorized blinds, curtains throughout the entire place, as well as some automated buttons. In a separate dining room, you've got seating for 6 on this large round table with overhead light. To the back of me here, a desk with a little tablet that you can order room service, get some information, call for your car and things like that. Over to the left, we've got a chair that I think would be a lot better if it had a chase lounge. And just behind you there is the minibar, 2 fridges, coffee pods, and well, it's just, again, well appointed. I must point out the ambience and the tones of this is just stunning. Warm, sophisticated. You got golds, you got woods, you got browns. It all really works together and is a lovely place to stay. Coming into the first bedroom, you've got 2 king single beds as well as 2 kids, not included. Over here, 55-inch TV. Through to my right, a walk-through robe to a beautiful, stunning bathroom. That is today's word, stunning. And hey, I reckon this room and the feel is identical to the last one that we stayed in. So I'll link to that on the end card, as well as it's up here as well. You got generous views of Melbourne, overlooking the Docklands and beyond. And finally, we come to the master bedroom that's got a king-size bed, 2 lovely windows, another 55-inch TV, walk-in robe that's a bit smaller but still pretty good considering that most people stay here, what, a few nights, several nights. It will do. And another luxurious ensuite. In terms of firmness, the bed was about medium. Not too soft, not too hard, just right. Either side you've got bedside tables, lamps, light controls for not only this room but also the entire suite, so you can turn everything off at once. You got telephones, but who uses them these days? And importantly, climate control throughout the entire room, like the entire suite. So every area you can individually control it. So all in all, my review of the Crown Towers suite is this. Its furnishings, fit, finish are exquisite. The wow factor, just the amount of space of this room. The views of Melbourne, like you've got literally almost 180-degree views from out towards the Yarra down towards the Docklands. It's something that you want to be doing for that special occasion, or if you just want to treat yourself, or in our instance, a staycation. So I'm very thankful that we got this free upgrade, and if we could do it again, I would so do it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do consider subscribing, turn on notifications, and ask me a question in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you on our next family adventure.